Hello my billionaire family, welcome back. Today tutorial will be on this simple gele. I know some of you may be wondering which background is this. To God be the glory. I just opened a new studio in my area here at Ayetoro, Ogun State. So in case if you are looking for makeup artists that is very affordable, you can just give me a call. I'm so affordable, and we do photo shoots also. So do let me know at the comment section if you want to see my studio hall. You can just let me know. I'm going to film it for you guys. Just small studio, not big studio, so you guys should not be thinking it's one big studio. Now small now small studio. So I'm just tying this gele. I'm using net gele. To me, I really do not like this gele, to be sincere. I don't like this gele at all. Don't know what people really even see in this gele. I don't like it. As you are seeing me in this video, I'm playing with baby Joshua. No, baby Joshua is at front of me there. You want to start crying, so I have to making him to be making him to laugh, because if I did not look down like that, me serious about the video, he will just start crying. So I just have to be playing with him. So sorry about that, sha. I have to be looking down to be playing with him, or else he will just start crying. So do let me know what you think about this gele tutorial. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share my video with your loved ones, and also follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. Patronize your girl, please refer me to somebody. You know I'm affordable. Call me for bridal work, abeg. Your babe need the money now, abeg. So please refer me to somebody, please, or refer me to someone. So that is it about the gele. The gele is so simple. It's not something that is hard. You can easily achieve it to your own party. So if you are going to church, you can easily achieve it. So it's very simple. If you don't want this place to open like this, you can just roll everything and place it on top each other, and you are good to go. If you don't want that fan to show there, it's not a must. You can just roll everything, and you are good to go. And that is it, guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, or share my video with your loved ones. Follow me on my Instagram page. I love you guys. Talk to you in the next one. Bye.